So this is my first video for Newlacecu. It's a review video on the new system that I've received from Newlacecu. As you might be able to see, it's a thin skin poly system. It's my first poly system that I've used, and I have to say I'm really happy with it. It's so comfortable. It's so soft. The quality of the hair is amazing. It's really soft. It feels like brand new hair. I can't feel the base on my head. It just feels natural, and it gets a really nice amount of body as well. So that the amount of body that I'm getting on the system is just really nice. It's not too much, it's not too little, it just works well. What I really like as well about the system so far is that it's pretty easy to maintain. So I've been wearing it just under a week now. I've only needed to do a little touch up at the front once. I've been using Ghost Bond XL to do that, and it's just nice and easy. I just put a clip to hold my hair back. I clean the area with rubbing alcohol just to make sure that it's clean, and then I just gently apply a bit of Ghost Bond, leave it for 5 minutes, apply another layer of Ghost Bond, leave it for 5 minutes, and then I just push it down, and it really is as simple as that. What I really like about this poly thin skin is that I can expose my hairline. With my previous system from another supplier, I couldn't expose my hairline because it looked quite obvious that I was wearing a system and that it wasn't my actual hair. With this, the hairline is flawless. It's absolutely flawless. So every day I can just push back my hair and it just looks natural. It just looks like my own hair. And what I love doing about it is just being able to just push it back, which is something that I've always wanted to do, and I could never even do it with my own natural hair when I had hair. So that, for me, is incredibly liberating. So as far as the thin skin is concerned, it's an absolute thumbs up from me. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with how easy it is to maintain, how easy it is to wash, how easy it is to clean, and how light and comfortable it feels. I'm really sold on the thin skin. The next system that I will be trying is a Swiss lace, because I want to try as many different bases as I can just to see how they feel on my head and to see what is most suitable for me. I will be making another video, actually I'll probably be making another series of videos just sort of walking through different bases, different densities, different colours, and just seeing what works best for me. I hope you've enjoyed watching my video, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments box any opinions on how you think the hair system looks.